Express Tax Exempt is an online platform designed to simplify the process of filing tax-exempt status applications for nonprofits. It helps organizations easily apply for managing required documents and ensuring compliance with IRS regulations, making the filing process faster and more efficient. Let's explore the key features of Express Tax Exempt software. Supports 990 series schedules, copy information from previous returns, worksheet records, cloud-based software, retransmit your rejected return for free, internal audit check, expert assistance. Let's explore the advantages of using Express Tax Exempt. Accurate cryptocurrency financial reporting, compliance with cryptocurrency tax regulations, efficient tracking of crypto transactions, simplified tax filing for crypto investors, enhanced tax optimization strategies. Bookkeeping and accounting services with Express Tax Exempt ensure precise reporting and streamline tax preparation. Accounts Junction utilizes this platform to deliver timely, compliant financial insights, helping businesses simplify tax procedures and effectively reach their objectives. Here are some services we offer using Express Tax Exempt. 990 series tax filing support, previous return data transfer, cloud-based record management, free retransmission of rejected returns, internal audit check service, expert tax filing assistance. Partner with Accounts Junction to simplify your bookkeeping and accounting processes. Utilizing Express Tax Exempt, we provide efficient and accurate services to ensure seamless business operations.